Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 with the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Pro, and I'm going to show you some important things that you need to know about both of these regards to specs. So the coverage area is way better, like up to 60 meters here for the 4 Pro. The noise level is like really similar, I wouldn't say it's like better. Then the 4 Pro got better clean air delivery rate, filter efficiency same, replacement reminder same, the filter type, smart control, voice control are all the same. And then the display is better for 4 Pro. Modes you have for 4, but it's like really similar again. Then the noise level at night is better for 4, but not much. Air intake dimensions is better for the 4, also weight, and also the etc. I couldn't get it for the Pro. So both got negative air ionization and power consumption. You have both efficiencies filter. So primarily the thing, it really depends like which kind of thing you want to cover and what you want to actually achieve. Because yes, you have like the filtration on both, you have the purification for the Pro, which is good. Reduces the high virus, that's good also. So you have that on both. You get air ionization on both. So that's great. And that's pretty much it. I mean, they're really similar. It really depends what you actually need it for. And if you need for example, large space, then you can go with a Pro. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.